Hey, what's up guys? Your boy, the Nature Boy here. Just want to talk a little bit about the mystery tackle box. Now, I saw the guys from Dugan Squad, John B and all those guys, they would do these crazy challenges. They would go through the entire box using different lures, different baits, until they went through the entire box. And I said to myself, you know, why not me? So I decided to get my first mystery tackle box, get my first MTB slam, and you can check that out at Tactical Fishing with your boy, the Nature Boy. And it was cool, it was fun, it was something fresh, it was something new. I enjoyed it a lot. As a matter of fact, one of the baits in here that I got in this box, I'm gonna be using it in my repertoire from now on. So if you wanna challenge yourself, use new baits and new lures, check out Mystery Tackle Box. Your boy, the Nature Boy. Beautiful, beautiful. Headed back. Hey, what's up guys? We are at Mount Island Park Access, about to get the rod tip dangling and popping, and just see what this place is gonna cough up and offer us today. But a reminder for next month, don't forget to subscribe to Mystery Tackle Box to get your first MTB box, man. It's a cool thing. Like I said before, the value of this box is about 30 bucks. I bought a lot of these lures, the kind of lures you can get and buy and purchase all in one, is about 30 bucks. But if you check out some of these guys like the Dugan Squad, those guys, you can get it on the low for as low as 5 bucks, 5 bucks. And sometime, if you're a new subscriber to Mystery Tackle Box, they'll hook you up and give you a free code. So check out Mystery Tackle Box and get your box and get it popping. With all that said, let's get it popping. Hey, what's up, fishing freaks? We're back again for another tactical fishing, and we're about to get things popping, and we're about to work this little section, this little quiet section right here, because the current current's coming in strong, but there's a little quiet section. I'm going to work this spot first. And we're going to be throwing first, of course, my favorite, the Colorado blade. With the KVD on it, that silver, dark color, that KVD. We're going to work that KVD and see what we can pull out with the KVD. How I work my KVD is I throw it out, let it sink to the bottom, and just a slow reel. Just slow reel it, real smooth. Very easy lure to work. Working that bait in real slow. Real easy lure to real easy lure to work, man. It's super easy. If you ever heard of Colorado blade, man, it's real simple, real simple. It's just choosing the right colors for the right time with this kind of water. It's a little stained, so I go dark, I go light. And this is probably the lightest I've seen. Very light color. And also, if you look at close, the blades, this is for extra sound. If it's really, really dingy water, extra sound. If you get the thin blades, it's for that light sound. But a light color, because it's barely stained. But if it's really stained, go for black or white. You know, all depends on what you want. But I usually fish the Colorado bait with KVD clear plastic. You know, I usually fish it with that. And all my rods are medium light rods. They're very versatile. I can throw anything just about with it. One last cast. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, change the retrieve. I'm gonna give it one more go along this edge right here. Right along this rock edge. I'm gonna switch her up and throw another swim bait. I'm gonna be throwing the Rage Swim. Nice green color. Get this out here. Throw again parallel to the bank, right on this rock edge. there, smack dab. That was right on the money. Boom. I give it, once I let it sit to the bottom, I give it two, three pops, and then one, two, two pops. One, two, three. Let it sit. One, two. Let it sit. One, two, three. I reel that bad boy in. Slow reel. Real nice and slow. All right. Give it a couple more goes to see if we can pop on this. And also, I almost forgot. It's on a 2-aught drill in hook right there. It's a 2-aught drill in hook. All right, it started to pop. Hope I don't get bit taking this knot out. First knot. Yeah. Knot it is. That was an easy knot out. Do that again. One more time. One more pass. If not, We are free on the knot. Woo. We are about to switch to a different tactic. Next, we're gonna be throwing my own little invention. This has worked, well, not on the wood jig, but this has worked. This bait has caught me 3-pounders, all types of fish. It looks natural. You can buy this at Walmart. It's a natural looking bait, but swimming on the top of the water. It looks natural. Fish like it, so let's get it popping. Gonna get it popping with my special top water bait, soft plastic. It has brought me a lot of fish because it looks natural. This looks so natural, like a little bug on the water. Let me show you how natural this looks. It's like a little bug on the water. Just on top of the water, it's like a little bug. That black helps it a whole lot. So let's get it popping. All right, okay, throw it quick out and just hold my rod back and just make that look as natural as possible for these fish. You can see it. All right, we got to get a lot further cast out. There we go. We're back. I have no room. This current is moving towards me. So I'm about to let this drop down and see what it do. All right, let that bait drop down. Give it some time. Some little pops, little bug pops on the way up. It's like a custom bait, man. All right, just reel it. Give it a little bug pops. All right, let me get a lot closer to this edge where I'm aiming at that edge right here. Hold on. Okay, that's a good spot. I'm just aiming at that edge. The current is pulling me. Let me see. Natural looking bait. See some bubbles, but natural bait. All right, we're gonna throw downstream and pull up. See what it do. See what it do, what it do. I'm gonna throw near these trees over, because I did catch a nice bass over in this area. I mean a smallie. All right, back up. See what it do. I keep my rod all the way back to keep this thing top of the water. All right, I smell. All right, I'm gonna aim this toward the bottom, up under all these trees, man. I'm gonna swim it If I can get this. Damn. All right. Let that kind of drift at the bottom. Make it look like a bug. So we can pop. Kind of swim it a little bit. 2 pops and pull it. Make it look natural. Pull. 2 pops, pull. All right, we're gonna get back out. Throw a couple more times. Let that get to the bottom of things. Let that pull that line on out. Ooh, my drag is like super drag. So let it pop. Just kind of pulling it, letting it drift back down to the bottom. With 2 pops. And drift to the bottom, dragging it. 1, 2. Let it sit for a little. I'm dragging it. 2 pops, sit, drag. See what we can get. Slow it down. Get to these rocks. It's real calm in this area right here. So I'm just kind of dragging it. See who is at the bottom chilling out. Who might want to clamp on something. All right. Throw this out into the current. Ouch. I clamped my finger. Let that drift naturally, man. That's what we got. All right. Kind of drift natural. It's like a little bug. Just dragging it. Just pop it a little bit. Make it look like a bug, man. Drag that bait. I'm hitting rocks now, so I'm low. I'm at the bottom. We at the bottom of things. Ooh, I just saw a fish just bust right there. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised he's not chasing it. I'm gonna give her a pitch. I'm gonna pitch it on over there. I saw something bust right there in front of me. I'll pitch that on in there. Let that drop to the bottom a little bit. We're gonna just tap it. Cool. Keep it at the bottom. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Pull. Not too much. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. All right. We're almost done with this. Now I'm just gonna basically just swim it in, just trying different techniques. That works a lot when you're fishing. Trying different reels. How you reel it in, it does matter a lot. Sometimes the fish want it fast, moving baits. Sometimes they want slow moving baits. You gotta do it how they like it. You gotta cook it up. Like I said once before, how these fish want it. Because really, you're bringing the buffet, man. And you're asking these fish, how do you like it? How do you like your worms? How do you like your crawls? And how do you like your swim bait? Do you want your swim bait slow? You want it fast? What kind of color do you want? What type of bait, lures, action? So you're basically learning how these fish eat and survive in the wild by fishing. And that's what fishing's all about, man. Learn how to move these baits properly. I said it before in the video. Learning how to move these baits properly, correctly, will get you tons of fish. And that's how I caught a lot of fish, by moving it just right. And this right here is a perfect bait for any fish, man. A Ned rig on a zoom worm. Let it sink to the bottom. It's like a guaranteed fish, man. I'm telling you. Let that sink to the bottom. Couple pops. This current's carrying me, so I'm not popping too much. And I'm hung up on a rock. Yep. I broke you off. No. I gotta put me another one of these. I'm actually using a crappy lure to hook this up. I wanted to save some money because Ned rigs are expensive, man. If you know anything about Ned rigs and doing those type of setups, they can be like $2, $5 just one set. I'm in the wrong box. Let's go to the right box. Ooh. And here we are, my crappy lures. That nice orange bug looking thing. All right, we're gonna, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use today, what we're gonna use, let me see, Jim Bob. Let me see what we're gonna use. I throw on random stuff. We're gonna use this nice chartreuse natural color. We got some kayakers coming up the road. So we use this Zoom worm. Look at that. Look at all that action back there. Like, eat me, eat me, eat me. So we're gonna throw on that. We're gonna get this line reset up and get this worm back out here and close the video. All right. Get her set up. Tie this knot. This is an effective way to make knots. I've tried all kind of stuff, but I two knot it, leave space, and just twist it, and then I tighten it and keep twisting enough to where I feel comfortable. I don't have lots of breaks off on this. I pull trees, stump, cars out with this type of line, tie a knot. I call it the safety first knot. You can pull trees and branches and cars and people with this type of knot set up. A horse, a train, locomotive, a bus. You can pull logs, and I guarantee you, if this line was like a 80-pound braid, I could pull a tree stump out the water. I'm pretty sure I could. So let's get back to throwing and go deep. Ew. Let's go deep. See if we can pull out of here on this worm. Let's get the popping. Let's test. See if anybody got it. I'm just floating down the river. Come on. Let me get a winner. Too much current. This current has picked up a whole lot just now. So I'm gonna throw down current and see what we get. Throw up under these bushels. I've caught several bass up under this stuff right here. It's up under trees. So we're gonna see what I can get. If I'm not on this edge already. It's like a rock, jagged edge. Right on this line. I hope I'm popping up enough and to get caught. Oh, save my line. Oh, no I didn't. I broke off again. Come on. Oh no. Did I lose it? Yes I did. Well guys, we gonna conclude that mission for today because I broke off again. I want to retie that again. All right. And this current is really picking up a whole lot. I think they let some water out. All right, guys. That is it for today. And remember, keep it popping, baby.